के थाल लैले तोहरो बलकवा लेके अंगड़ाई मैया खोली द पलकवा औरती के थाल लैले तोहरो बलकवा फूटी गईले किरनिया जोर हो गई धाम तोहरे चिरैयन के शोर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गई पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई। निंदिया के मातल मैया कबले हो सुतबू पूछले पुजारी तोहर माई कब उठबू निंदिया के मातल मैया कबले हो सुतबू पूछले पुजारी तोहर माई कब उठबू रात बीतल भवानी अब भोर हो गई तोहरे भक्ति में मनवाई मोर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गई पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई जाग जाग भवानी सबेर हो गई।
दुर्गा कला के साथ सीखना वास्तव में कभी नहीं रुकता। एक क्विज के साथ कल के सेमिनार की तैयारी में मेरी मदद करें।
मधुबनी फिलॉसफी में प्रकृति और पौराणिक कथाएं क्या भूमिका निभाती हैं?
कला को सीखना सिर्फ पेंटिंग तक सीमित नहीं है।
एक प्रभावशाली आर्ट लेबल लिखना स्पष्टता, जुड़ाव और संतुलन पर निर्भर करता है।
माई के रूप देखे चंदा ल जाए, कैसे कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी भइल बिहानवा हो कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी भइल बिहानवा हो कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी। भगता सजैले बड़े पूजन के थाल जी दर्शन देखा के कदे जिंदगी निहाल जी। भगता सजैले बड़े पूजन के थाल जी दर्शन देखा के कदे जिंदगी निहाल जी। छोड़ दी से जरिया मायरिया तो गुंजे जय करिया बैठी अवसनवा हो कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी भइल बिहानवा हो कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी भइल बिहानवा हो कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी भइल बिहानवा हो कि जागी जागी भवानी काहे बही सुतल बानी।
Syros EV looks electric.
Best range, best power. The perfect EV.
Introducing the Kia Syros EV. Superior beyond belief.
Kia, movement that inspires.
कुहू बोले लागल काली रे कोयलिया, चूहू चूहू बोलतिया बन में चुचुहिया। कुहू बोले लागल काली रे कोयलिया, चूहू चूहू बोलतिया बन में चुचुहिया। नैन खोला माई नींद ढेर हो गईल, माई तोहरे पूजनवा के बेर हो गईल। जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल, जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल। पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गईल, पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गईल। जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल, जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल। लेके अंगड़ाई मैया खोली दा पलकवा, औरती के थाल लैले तोहरो बलकवा। लेके अंगड़ाई मैया खोली दा पलकवा, औरती के थाल लैले तोहरो बलकवा। फूटी गईले किरनिया जोर हो गई, धाम तोहरे चिड़ैयन के शोर हो गईल। जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल, जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल। पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गईल, पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गईल। जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल, जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल। निंदिया के मातल मैया कबले हो सुतबू, पूछेले पुजारी तोहर माई कब उठबू।
গাইস তুমি কি কম দামের মধ্যে একটা ভালো ওয়াচ খুঁজছো? তাহলে এই ভিডিও তোমাদের জন্য। কারণ আমরা যারা বেকার আছি তারা কিন্তু আমরা সবসময় কম দামের মধ্যে
निंदिया के मातल मैया कबले हो सुतबू, पूछले पुजारी तोहर माई कब उठबू। रात बीतल भवानी अब भोर हो गईल, तोहरे भक्ति में मनवाई मोर हो गईल। जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल, जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल। पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गईल, पूछे छोटकी चिड़ैया काहे देर हो गईल। जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल, जागा जागा भवानी सबेर हो गईल।
दुर्गा भवानी
had to win cricket matches. One-day ho, test ho. हमारे समय T20 नहीं था. T20 wasn't there. You need people who scored runs quickly because that's how you set up games. You know, that's what sport is. You play sport with emotions. You don't just turn up. I don't intimidate anybody, so I'm not scared of you. Yeah, I just go and help people. That's the biggest problem I have. You know, some things I can let go, some things I can't let go. But when you earn money and there is no free time, it makes no sense. And when you have free time and you don't make money, it's stupidity. So that balance has to be there. And I think free time is very important. As you grow older, women's cricket will only go higher. And women's cricket, we are at best with everyone in the world. You cannot imagine the way they train to become sportsmen.
So at which point did you decide you want to start making a difference? Welcome back to Making a Difference, a Havells podcast. I'm your host, Ambika Anand. Some people play cricket, some people change the way a country sees itself. Saurav Chandidas Ganguly did both. He is one of the rare individuals who carried not just a bat but the belief of an entire generation. At a time when Indian cricket needed conviction more than talent, he came in with a fearless and winning mindset and created a squad that learned how to win consistently. He brought to the table something that cannot be measured by statistics: a swag, support, and a bold belief that they can win in any part of the world. Off the field, he's been equally relentless. As an administrator, a leader of institutions, and now as someone shaping the future of a game he loves, Dada has never stopped moving, never stopped building. But what truly sets him apart are not his achievements, but how he makes people feel. Ask anyone who grew up watching Dada play cricket. They remember what they were doing, what they were feeling, where they were when they saw him play at his best. And now, today, we talk to the man behind Dada, Saurav Ganguly. Let's begin.
That's a long introduction.
It is. So, welcome to Making a Difference. So, when you grew up, your parents called you Maharaja before you started playing professionally. Why?
Because our family is a devotee of satsang in Bias. So when I was born, the Guruji was Maharaj Charan Singh. You'll see photographs of him everywhere in our house. There is a photograph there. So my grandfather was Diksha bolte hain na hamare Bengali mein. So from Bias, Maharaj Charan Singh. So they used his name as my second name for blessings. So that's why the name Maharaj came.
All right. And by 17, when you were playing the final of Ranji Trophy, the name took a true meaning. Take us through that journey.
Well, I was there for the whole season, not playing a game. I did very well for the India under-19s. I got 100 against Pakistan in Bombay on a tough wicket. So they picked me for the side in the squad, but they didn't give me an opportunity because we were a very good team. They were established players who were scoring a lot of runs, and it was a very good squad. So I didn't get a go. The entire season of 5 months, I was on the road without getting a game. So Bengal went to the final, and they were supposed to play Delhi at Eden Gardens. I think, which year was it? 90. I was just 17 and a half. And I was in the 15. I didn't know I would play because I was preparing for my board exams. And my board exams were in April or May, and the finals were in March. So I thought they'll not pick me again because they went through an entire season winning all matches without me. So I thought, why me in the final? And I finished practice and I went to my tuitions, accounts tuitions, to get ready for the main paper. And then I came back home at 5:36 in the evening, and I was very hungry. So I sat on the dinner table with my mom, and she gave me food, and she said, I believe they're going to pick you in the Ranji Trophy team. She doesn't understand squads or 11s. I said, I'm already in the team, so what's new? He says, no, I think you'll play. So I said, I'll play. I didn't know in whose place will I play, because everybody was doing well, and I didn't see an opportunity for me. So I finished because I thought my mom knows nothing. He doesn't have much idea about the game, and I think she's just saying things. So I finished my food and then went up to the living room, and my dad and brother were sitting there. It was about 6:37 in the evening. So I asked my dad that, she said that I'll be playing. He said, yeah, you'll be playing. I said, oh, that's good. But in whose place? Then he said, in the place of